car headlights, these useful lights often become dull and yellow due to pollution and dust, losing their previous shine. But don't worry, with a little polishing, you can give them new life and restore them to their original condition.
First of all, we need a 2500 sandpaper. Start by wetting it and gently rubbing it over the headlights to remove any dirt and dust. Take your time with this step to eliminate the cloudy and yellow layer. Allow it to dry and become matte. Then, wipe it with a cloth. After that, we move on to the polishing phase. In the final step, use a microfiber cloth to polish the headlights, and you'll see how shiny they become. The result? Headlights that shine like diamonds. Not only will your car look better, but you'll also have improved visibility at night, making your driving safer. So why wait? Get started and drive confidently on the roads.
Don't forget to support us with a like and subscribe, and share our tutorials with your friends.